Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to exit Safe Mode in Windows 11. Safe Mode in Windows 11 is a useful troubleshooting tool designed to help in situations where your PC can't boot as normal. By starting your system with a limited set of features and drivers, it allows you to fix problems that you otherwise could not. However, this same limited feature set would also present a major issue if you were stuck in it. That's why today we're going to show you how to get out of Safe Mode in Windows 11. Right-click on the Windows icon on the taskbar. Choose Task Manager from the list. Task Manager will open. Click on File at the top left corner of the window. Choose Run New Task from the list. A new window will open. Type msconfig. Click OK. Close the window. System configuration window will open. Go to Boot tab. Uncheck Safe Boot option. Click on Apply and OK. Click on Restart. The safe mode is disabled. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!